In today's video, we'll discuss how to properly submit an idea or prototype on the Viksit Bharat buildathon 2025 portal. We'll learn all the details about the important points to keep in mind. First, search the website vb.mic.gov.in and open it in your browser. Click on the Login button. You'll see two login options, Teacher Login and Student Team Login. Click on Student Team Login. All idea submission work must be done by the student. The team login page will open. Enter your team ID and password and click Sign In. The student names will be displayed. Above these names, you'll see an option called Login. Click on it. You'll see several options on the side. Idea submission is an option. Click on it. You'll see 5 steps. Follow these steps, and below are some preparatory steps. Before submitting your idea, keep these things in mind. We discussed this in detail in the previous video, how to choose an idea, how to create it, etc. You also need to prepare a PDF of the idea. This page is in English. If you want to read it in Hindi, change the language at the top. After this, you'll see the Next button below. Click on it. The idea submission page will now appear. You'll see 4 topics: Self-Reliant India, Swadeshi, Vocal for Local, and Prosperous India. Each topic has 8 subtopics. When you select one, the subtopics within it will be displayed on the side. Next, you'll need to select the subcategory for your idea from this list. We discussed how to create an idea based on these 4 themes in the previous video. Be sure to watch this video before submitting your idea so you can prepare all the information related to your idea in advance. The link to the video can be found in the description box. After selecting the topic, you'll click the Continue button and proceed. You'll now see 3 pages, divided into 3 sections, that you'll need to fill out. The first section is Identifying the Problem. This page is titled Section 1. First, select your primary topic. You'll find several topics here, such as Atmanirbhar Bharat, Swadeshi, Vocal for Local, and Prosperous India, which I mentioned earlier. Select one of these. For example, I selected Prosperous India, and then select your idea category. Under the primary topic you're choosing, you'll find 8 idea categories. Select the one that best relates to your idea. For example, for my project, I chose Lifestyle for the Environment, which falls under Prosperous India. Next, choose the language you'd like to present your idea in. Choose the language you prefer. Next, think of a suitable title for your idea. Don't mention the problem here. This is essential. You can write a title of your idea, as long as 500 characters, as I have done. After that, provide all the necessary information about your problem. Write down the problem you were considering that led you to this idea. You can enter a maximum of 1,000 characters here. Next, describe the causes of the problem. Mention why the problem was occurring and what caused it. Be sure to create a PDF file of all this information. Next, enumerate the impact of the problem. What impact was the problem having? Write down the impact caused by the problem here. Then, where do you see this problem in your community, i.e., in society? You can choose school, home, other places around you, or others. Then, who is facing this problem? This is a question. To answer this, write about the people facing the problem or wherever they are in the surrounding area. For example, as I have written. Now, once you have completed filling in this page, you will find an option below, Save as Draft. So, when you have filled in these details, be sure to save as a draft. You shouldn't submit it now. Keep this in mind so that it's easy to modify or edit it later. Only then will your data be saved. Now, suppose you saved section 1 as a draft and decided to fill in the remaining entries later. Will you be able to edit it when you log in again and return to this page? You won't be able to edit it directly. You'll find a button above, Edit Idea Submission, in Hindi and Edit in English. You'll only be able to edit it again by clicking on that button, as shown. There's a sky blue button, which says, Edit Idea Submission. Editing will only take place when you click on it. You'll only be able to edit it when you've saved it as a draft below and are logging back in. If you haven't saved and drafted and this page closes, you'll have to re-enter. Let's move on to Section 2. Now, your Section 2, Solutions and User Analysis, is open. In it, share your team's solutions to the problem you encountered. This is where you need to explain. Clearly state your solution in words. Explain how this idea works, who it helps, and how it will solve the problem. Next, besides your teacher, how many stakeholders did you talk to and make improvements? If not just anyone, you'll select 2 to 4 people, 5 or more, or 10 or more. Then, select the tasks your team performed while solving the problem. You can select more than one option here. For example, we went through the entire problem-solving journey ourselves, or, we received feedback on our problem and modified it. We received feedback on our idea and modified it. We received feedback on our prototype and modified it. So, tick whichever option is eligible or feels right for your project or your journey in creating and developing this idea. Next comes the feedback your team received. You need to share it here, and if you made any changes, write about it. If you didn't receive any feedback or made any changes, you can write here, I didn't receive any feedback or made no changes, depending on your preference. Then, below, you'll see the Save as Draft option. Click on it. Now, let's move on to the next section. Section 3, Prototyping, will open. You need to upload the following information, which is mandatory. First, a descriptive document or image of your prototype or idea, a PDF file in which you've documented the points we just discussed. And a photo of your idea, which you've created, must be uploaded together in a single PDF. Next, comes a video clearly explaining your solution. Students must create a video clearly explaining the problem your idea has solved. This is a very important point. Only YouTube video links will be accepted. It should also be at least 3 to 5 minutes long, no less. You'll upload the video you create to YouTube and share its link here, not directly as a file video. As for uploading the video, most people have their own YouTube channel. You can upload it there and share the link. For those who haven't opened a channel, you can upload it to a friend's YouTube channel and share the link from there, or you can WhatsApp me the video. I'll upload it and provide the link. Now, take the link you receive and paste it here. A note is written above. Please understand this carefully. Whatever file and video link you upload, you're providing a link to the YouTube video. The maximum size of both files should not exceed 10 megabytes. The combined size should be up to 10 megabytes. Keep this in mind when you verify and upload the file by clicking Verify and Upload below. Now comes the question. Has your team completed the workbook and submitted it to the school guide teacher? During the course, the children received a workbook. Be sure to download and print it. Have the children complete it and keep it safe at school. If you have, tick yes. If not, tick no. Save it as a draft here as well. Since the next section is no longer available, you won't find the Next button below. Save it as a draft. If you want to check it, you can do so by clicking the Back button. If you need to make any further changes to all the pages or sections, you can edit them by clicking the Edit Idea button above, which is blue in color. Once you're sure everything is correct, click the Submit button. Congratulations on successfully submitting your idea. Click Continue to continue. Click here to view the idea. After clicking Continue, you'll see the post-survey dashboard, which says, "Please ensure your team submits ideas and is approved by your teacher in the teacher panel to enable your post-survey." The idea you submit will be approved in the teacher's login. Only then will the post-survey be available in the student team login. In the next part of the video, we'll cover how to approve the idea in the teacher's login. How will teachers submit their post-surveys? How will teachers obtain their certificates in the teacher's login? Then, how will the post-survey be conducted in the student team login? Once the idea is approved in the teacher's login, the post-survey can be conducted both here and in the student team login. We'll cover all this in the next video. So, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So, friends, that's all for today's video. If you found the video helpful, please like and share it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Jai Hind.